Good morning, my dear students. Let's start the today's class. In the last class, we start the topic is more multiplication, page number 52 and 53. Right? Today also the same topic but the different concept. First of all, you have to understand like this way. Like this one is called what? Row, or it is called horizontally. Like this one from up to down or down to up. Like this way called it as column or vertically. Okay. Remember one more time. Like this one is called it as row, and like this one is called it as column. Okay. Now, whenever you need to find these questions, first complete the first row, this is the first row, and this is the first column. So, every time first complete the first row and first column, this is the first concept. So, here is the 1 is given to you, and this is the row is 2. So, when you multiply 1 multiply by 2, how much? 2, and 2 multiply by 2 is 4. So, wherever you stop, you start from there only. Again, don't go back. You cannot write 1 multiply by 2, again 2 here. So, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, then 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So, wherever you stop, you can start from there only. Similarly, when you want to find the first column, column means I told you like this way, right? No? So, first column, this one, this is the first column, and this is the first row. So, you have to complete the first row and first column, okay? Now, when you find the column, you have to multiply with this number because this is the column value. So, 1 multiplied by 4 equal to 4, then 4 multiplied by 4 equal to 16. Now, for these 4 numbers, you can use the row method or column, anything same. Look at your example, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is 32, and 32 multiplied by 2 is 64. Or look at here, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. So, if you once you finish the first row and the first column, other values you can use the row method or the column method, anything you can use, okay. So, one more time, you can first complete the first row and first column by using the first number, this is the first number, okay. So, 1 multiplied by 2 equal to 2, 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4, 1 multiplied by 4 equal to 4, then 4 multiplied by 4 equal to 16. Okay, then you can find the remaining numbers anyway. So, if I want to find out like this way, so 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8, 8 multiplied by 2 equal to 16, then 16 multiplied by 2 equal to 32, 32 multiplied by 2 equal to 64. Now, similarly look at here, these are the questions from your book, question number 3a. So, this is the first number. I told you what, first you have to complete the first row and first column. So, 5 multiplied by 2 how much? 10, and 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. Now, coming to the first column, when you multiply the column, you have to check the number of columns only. So, 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, and 15 multiplied by 3 is 45. Now, you can find this number by using the row method or the column method. So, if I use the row method, I need these values. So, 15 multiplied by 2 equal to 30. You cannot multiply 5 multiplied by 2, 10. You cannot write it because here is the value 15. So, 15 multiplied by 2 is 30, 30 multiplied by 2 is 60. If you use it like this way, that means this arrow. Now, 45 multiplied by 2 is 90, 90 multiplied by 2 is 180, or you can use like this one. If I want to write like this one, I use the 10, 10 multiplied by 3 is 30, 30 multiplied by 3 is 90, 20 multiplied by 3 is 60, 60 multiplied by 3 is 180. Okay. Now, again the last one, this is the 1. So, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Then 1 multiplied by 6 is 6, 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. This is the first method. Next, here I need to find the remaining value. So, 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, 12 multiplied by 2 is 24, 36 multiplied by 2 is 72, 72 multiplied by 2 is 144, or you can use the column method. So, 2 multiplied by 6 is 12, 12 multiplied by 6 is 72, 4 multiplied by 6 is 24, 24 multiplied by 6 is 144. Anyway, you can use it, but the first row, first column, do it first. Okay, I hope. Next one, I hope you understand now this concept. Now, coming to these examples here, use the numbers 2, 7, 14 to complete this calculation. So, how to complete? Easy way. In multiplication, remember the last number. So, this is the first number, this is the second number, this third number. So, in multiplication, the last number is the big value. Okay, the last number is the big number, and in division, the first number is the big number. These two things you have to remember. So, in multiplication, the last number is the big number, and in division, the first number is the big number. So, what is the number now? 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to what? 14, and 7 multiplied by 2 equal to also 14. So, these two calculation by multiplication, and these two are by division. So, the first in the division, the first number is the big number. So, 14 divided by 2, what number remaining? 7. So, write it 7. 14 divided by 7, then write it, remaining number is what? 2. Only these three numbers only I use. Again, one more time, in multiplication, the last number is the bigger number. You cannot write it 2 divided by 14. Remember, in a division, the first number always the big number. In multiplication we can interchange the number, like 2 multiplied by 7, 7 multiplied by 2, no problem. That means in addition and multiplication we can interchange the number, but in division and subtraction we cannot interchange the number. So the first number should be the same every time. That means big number. So 14 divided by 2 equal to 7 and 14 divided by 7 equal to 2. So this question you have to do it by yourself. Use the numbers 4, 9, 36 to complete this calculation. 2 for multiplication, 2 is for division. And your homework is page number 54, question number 3C. I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.